Hey my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. It is always my pleasure to have you here. If you're new, what up though? My name is Amanda and we talk about hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle topics here on this channel. And today we have something very exciting. We have a unboxing from MAC Cosmetics. So if you're interested in finding out what goodies I got in here from their new or latest collections, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Okay, my lovelies, thank you all for sticking around. I sincerely appreciate y'all hanging out with the kit. So let's dive right in. What did we get? So, you know, my favorite color, black. Love the packaging, all black everything. I'm here for it. So the first thing we have here is their Prep and Prime Fix Plus Matte. So this is the finishing spray Fix Plus. However, this one is designed to finish you off with a matte finish because I'm into it. I like a nice matte look. I'm here for it. So that's this. I'll have the retail price in the description box because I can't remember off the dome. Okay, so moving right along, we have this. This is the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shade Contour Palette. So this comes with, I think it's 6 different contour shades for darker pigmented ladies. Okay, that's the second thing. I'll go ahead and open them up, but I just want to unbox it first. Now we have the Studio Fix Conceal and Correct Palette. This is also in dark, but this has concealers and color correctors for darker skinned people in a nice palette form. So I picked that up. Then of course we have the duo. This is Eyelash Adhesive. It is a different or newer style because first of all it's all black, right? The matte finish, but this is the applicator. So the one that I used to use, it came with like you had to squeeze it out. This one has its own applicator, so I thought that was interesting. I do primarily wear individual false eyelashes. However, I do want to continue to be familiar with, you know, the latest lash adhesive and also to practice on my daughter as well. So picked that up. Then we have this. This is the Studio Fix 24-hour Smooth Wear Concealer. So this is supposed to be smudge proof and work well under your mask or when it's not supposed to move or whatever. So I went ahead and picked this up, NC45. And also, ladies and gentlemen, MAC is having a promotion now or they were at least when I made this purchase. But if you spent over a certain amount of money, you were eligible to receive a free MAC lipstick. So I went ahead and I did. And I went ahead and I picked the Chilli. It is a nice burnt orange matte finish, lovely. And I also went ahead and picked up Ruby Woo, which is a vintage matte red color that is phenomenal and is like almost universally appealing. Like all skin tones work well with this color. Okay, is that it? Yep. Ooh, ooh. Okay, so now that we unboxed everything, let's take a look at the packaging. Here is the Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the matte finishing spray. Okay, so this one is going to give you a matte finish. I already showed y'all the new duo and the applicator that it has now. So this seems like it'll be easier to apply than the squeezy little tip bottle or whatever. So again, this is in dark brush on strip last adhesive. And then we got our 2 MAC colors. Let's see, which one we're gonna put on real quick. This is Ruby Woo. Let's just put her on. So you already see, right? You know what? Let's do a little mix test. Let's mix Ruby Woo with Chilli. also, as you can see, they're in the similar family range. They like cousins or whatever, you know, because when mixed, you really can't tell the difference. So we got my girl Ruby Woo, nice red vintage matte, and we got my guy Chilli, right, matte. Okay, moving on. Then we have the Studio Fix concealer and corrector palette. This is how it looks. Like I said, you get 6 different shades in here, color correctors, and then concealers in a nice broad range. So you can do the lighter under eye, and then you can do the dark to contour, you know, the nose, or whatever the case might be, whatever you into. So this gives it like all in one. So when you're traveling, or if you're a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast or whatever, and you got places to go, you know, you want to look for things that are packaged like this, because it's just easier to collect it and go, as opposed to having, you know, all these different tubes. You have one kit, one palette with a multitude of purposes. You know, we're multifunctional around here, okay? Now we also tried to pick this up. This is the 24-hour Studio Fix Smooth Wear Concealer. This is a new product line from their concealer collection. Yeah, it's supposed to be smudge proof and all that, and you're supposed to be able to wear the mask and it not move. So that was appealing to me, given the times that we're in and masks are still very much a part of our daily reality. I wanted to see how that worked. And last but definitely not least, we have this baby here. This is the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. So this is an actual contour palette that has 6 different shades, darker at the bottom, lighter at the top. And again, this is for that, you know, that chiseled, you know, look, you know, that beat face, if you will. Yeah, I'm gonna start getting more into contouring, because it is new for me. It's not a part of my daily routine, but I do need to be versed in it, if you will. So yeah, these are the latest products that we went ahead and picked up from MAC. Okay, so I will be doing some looks with these products, you know, might as well. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for hanging out with the kid today. I hope you enjoyed your time, our time together. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to this channel if you have not already. Go ahead and click that bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Please share this video with a friend of a friend. Tell your friend to subscribe, then tell her other friends, and tell your homegirl, and tell your cousins, because we're all about growth. We need to grow around here, and any and every bit of support you send my way, I always appreciate it. So until next time, my fabulous lovelies, stay happy, stay healthy, stay active, stay beautiful. Until next time, peace.